2, 1, work.
Exercise.
Just remember, you maintain your spine stability when you're doing this, right? You want an inline spine, whether you're doing a plank or a push-up. No hip sag. 15 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, and rest.
Rest.
Good job, guys. Next one's going to be, we'll take 30-second break and we're going to get up and do some air squats. 2, 1, and squat.
Exercise.
With the squats, you're only going to go down as far as your body will allow, right? We don't want to go past that point. Smooth, fluid movement. All right, next move is going to be that hip bridge we talked about. And again, smooth movements. Lay your back flat, head flat. Work. We know the core is probably the most important thing that we need to strengthen as firefighters, right? So pretty much every workout that you do ought to have 5 or 10 or 15 minutes of core work included in it, whether it's with your warm-up or as part of your actual main workout. So you're going to have choices for your lunges: forward, reverse, lateral. If you're feeling spunky, like I said, you can do mountain climbers for 30 seconds as well.